The Tesla Cybertruck is a masterpiece and is going to beat even the Tesla Semi. Its debut wasn't that fantastic. Elon Musk reportedly cursed under his breath after the truck's main designer broke its glass with a metal ball. But still, pre-orders reached an astonishing 250,000 within a week of its release. Keep watching as we outline the reasons this vehicle is a brilliant idea and why the Tesla Cybertruck is much more amazing than the Tesla Semi. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. To ensure that you never miss a video from us, subscribe and press the notification bell before we start. Let's start now. The Cybertruck is innovative, whether you love it or hate it. Especially shortly, it is intended to be among the best vehicles available for consumer and business use. The Tesla Cybertruck has pushed several design boundaries in the vehicle industry to the point that the once controversial concept has become the norm. No automotive manufacturer would dare to mimic the design of this Cybertruck since it's so aggressive, daring, and divisive. To put it another way, the designs of the Tesla Cybertrucks are too distinctive and reflect the excellent standards for which the firm is known. Tesla also combined a variety of technologies into one product. The stainless steel alloy employed in Cybertruck is the same as that in SpaceX, Musk's sibling firm. The truck is equipped with lithium-ion batteries for self-driving, as well as a solar roof option to extend the vehicle's range. Musk claims that the Cybertruck isn't made to blend in. It was created to deviate from the norm and be extreme. For passenger safety and maximum durability, outside shelves were incorporated into the design of the Tesla Cybertruck. It possesses an essentially impenetrable exoskeleton. From the protected glass to the very tough 30X cold-rolled stainless steel skin, every component is built for exceptional durability and strength. One benefit of the Cybertruck is polarizing, which, when completely implemented, might be a wise decision by the Tesla team. The car industry is about to undergo a radical change because of Tesla's outrageous limit push with the Cybertruck. One explanation for the truck's look is that it has a very flat design. It lacks a clean edge and anything spherical. The stainless steel plates used to construct the truck's exoskeleton are intended for SpaceX rockets. It also prevents the need for paint jobs, which has significant structural advantages. The built-in air compressor of the Cybertruck allows it to surpass other trucks in the market and accommodate 6 people. Additionally, the truck's massive battery pack is configured specifically for usage with V2G. The vehicle contains a 120-volt, 240-volt AC power socket that may be used for powerhouses and blackouts, as was previously mentioned. The truck may be less efficient than current electric passenger vehicles due to its size and weight. However, owing to the inherent efficiency of electric cars and aerodynamics, they would be superior to conventional non-electric trucks. It's vital to note that the truck's cabin is spacious. It includes the 17-inch center touchpad that has become its trademark. The versatility of this truck's usage is another reason why it's brilliant. It can carry a weight of roughly 3,500 pounds and also has an adjustable air suspension. Additionally, it has 100 cubic feet of robust, lockable storage. The Cybertruck also possesses tough strength. With a towing capacity of more than 14,000 pounds, it can move nearly unlimited masses. Importantly, the vehicle can function well in any difficult circumstance. As previously mentioned, the Cybertruck features an adaptable air suspension that can be raised 4 inches in either direction with a lever for easy access to the vault. Additionally, the self-leveling capabilities may adjust to different situations. The truck's incredible versatility is yet another fantastic quality. A versatile utilitarian design, like the pressurized air and onboard power exploiting the pop culture, allows you to get ready for any encounter with a truck. It can be as sophisticated or as tough as you need it to be. The Cybertruck appears like Blade Runner. In particular, the post-apocalyptic feel of the film served as inspiration for the truck's design. The Tesla CEO is aware of pop cultural power, and now the Cybertruck elevates this culture. Contrary to popular belief, the truck's distinct visual language allows for a fantastic blank canvas for some user-generated material, much like the Tesla Model S's acceleration modes, which are named crazy, mad, and ridiculous right out of the Spaceballs movie. These allusions to popular culture are excellent for advertising and generating revenue for Cybertruck. The stainless steel uses a slick monochrome exoskeleton to help eliminate long-term corrosion and dense damage. To protect the driver and passengers as much as possible, the exoskeleton creates a shell on the exterior of the vehicle. According to Musk, this very tough 30X cold-rolled stainless steel makes the vehicle indestructible. The vehicle is resistant to shots fired from pistols, machine guns, and 9mm ammo. There is no denying the effectiveness and efficiency of Tesla's Cybertruck. The torque mechanism of the Cybertruck permits 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in 500 miles of range. As was stated at the opening of the film, it's simply a stroke of brilliance. You'll be surprised to learn that Cybertruck is smarter than a Tesla Semi. We should note that Tesla did not pleasantly surprise us with their answer to the long-reviled Achilles heel of EVs thus far: range and charging anxiety, before we start calculating the mathematics behind their electric truck driving dream. Although we could still be insufficient for long-distance use, the Tesla Semi's 500-mile driving range raises the bar far higher than what we had anticipated. Tesla's Megacharger, which claims to provide the Semi up to 400 miles of charge in only 30 minutes, was even more stunning. That gives the trucker more than enough time to enter the truck stop, take a shower, pick up some coffee and food, and then resume driving. Despite how thrilling this sounds, it is not unexpected that the king of charging consumes a lot of electricity. According to Tesla, the new Megacharger will produce more than 10 times the power levels of its superchargers when it comes to charging electric vehicles. These produce about 120 kilowatt-hours of electricity, so at peak load, the Megacharger could generate over 1.5 MWh. In other words, the Tesla Semi will use roughly as much power during the truck driver's lunch break as a typical North American home does in a month. That represents one truck pulling one trailer in 1 hour and a half. A fact, a significant city rarely has just one truck stop, and each one typically has many trucks fueling up. This indicates that if EV truck travel is to become a reality, truck stops will wind up becoming significant power grid hogs. Even the best power grids will need to add some manufacturing facilities, in my opinion. And I'm not a power systems engineer to keep everything working smoothly. This might cause issues with the running expenses of the Tesla Semi, which are considered to be its second major advantage. According to Tesla, operating the Semi will cost roughly $1.20 US per mile, which is about 20% less than what it does to operate the typical diesel Semi. However, that amount was generated using an anticipated power cost of just 7 US cents per kilowatt hour, according to the MIT Technology Review. This is about half of what the typical American household spends, and the price might quickly grow if power demand were to significantly rise. Let's nevertheless suppose that the cost of electricity remains the same. Will investing more in the Tesla Semi ultimately be less expensive for trucking companies? The truck's pricing hasn't been disclosed, but according to the MIT Technology Review, the Semi's batteries will set you back more than 3 times as much as the typical oil-burning big rig. Accordingly, the vehicle will need to travel more than 1 million miles before it truly starts to save money in comparison to the diesel status quo. While getting that kind of mileage out of a large truck is not unrealistic, the financial benefits are undoubtedly not as grand as Elon Musk would have you believe. Then there's the question of whether truck stops will change their diesel pumps into electrical outlets, and if doing so will be environmentally friendly. Given Tesla's dire financial state, it seems to reason that installing their plugs at already existing truck stops would be more cost-effective than developing brand new charging infrastructure. But from where would all that electricity come? Tesla is asking for a lot of electricity from utility providers, and this might be very expensive for Tesla. However, there could be a simple, affordable answer. You see, these green boxes could easily meet the Megacharger's energy needs. They're far less expensive than building a new power plant and produce electricity from resources that are already present at every single truck stop, reducing the amount of infrastructure that has to be improved. This makes it a tempting choice for putting Tesla's fantasy of high-voltage shipping into action. It's a diesel generator, so the expression fitting the purpose has probably already entered your mind. Then why is Cummins, one of the largest diesel engine producers in the world, so enthusiastic about developing its own electric Semi? If this was such a terrible concept, the Tesla Semi was introduced after the debut of the Cummins Urban Hauler. Although it only has a 200 to 300 mile range, a range extender may be installed. Perhaps Cummins has some reservations about the viability of electric vehicles. Maybe not, but they've given the world's cynics something to chew on. These assumptions are of course slightly caustic and humorous, but the sobering fact still stands. Tesla has unveiled yet another unrealistic, logistically difficult notion at a time when it's becoming increasingly difficult to truly take them seriously. And that's all for today. So what do you think about Cybertruck? Do you think that would beat the Tesla Semi? By all means, let's know in the comment section.